Good morning, class. I welcome you all to the online classes of general knowledge. So, I think we have completed till chapter number 3. So, today we will discuss about the national park. You are already aware about the word park. Yes? And you have visited the parks, है ना? So, today we will discuss about the national parks, okay? We will discuss about the national park. Why we need a national park? Actually, we need a national park to conserve our wildlife because there are so many animals whose life is in danger. So, they need protection. That is why we need national parks. So, national park conserve wildlife and is a symbol of national pride. You know very well that wildlife is also a symbol of national pride. The national pride in India have a lot of our endangered animals that need protection. So that is why they need protection. So today we will discuss about different national parks. So in this chapter you have to just identify the parks. You have to identify the parks name that conserve and protect the endangered animals. So here you can see that you already have the help box. There are total 7 options are there, and with the help of this help box you have to fill this chapter. So our very first question is a tiger reserves and a biosphere reserve in West Bengal, home to a variety of bird, reptiles and invertebrate species, including the saltwater crocodile. So which national park have a tiger reserve and a biosphere reserve in West Bengal? So the name of that name of that park is Sundarban National Park. Okay. This is only the park where the variety of birds, reptiles, invertebrate species and including the saltwater crocodile is there in West Bengal. Also, it includes a tiger reserve as well as biosphere reserve. Now, the second question is a wildlife sanctuary in Gujarat, India, the only home for Asiatic lions. So this is a wildlife sanctuary in Gujarat, India, the only home for Asiatic lions. So what is the name of that park? That is Gir Forest National Park. Okay, now the very third question is oldest national park in India, located in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand, established in 1936 as Haley National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. So it is the oldest national park in India, which is located in Nainital district of Uttarakhand, and it was established in 1936 as Haley National Park. This is used to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. So what is the name of that national park? That is Jim Corbett National Park. Okay, so fourth question is wildlife sanctuary lies in Nilgiri Hills, Tamil Nadu, home to many endangered species including the Indian elephant, Bengal tiger, gaur, Indian leopard and 266 species of bird including critically endangered Indian white-rumped vulture and long-billed vulture. So this is a wildlife sanctuary which lies in Nilgiri Hills of Tamil Nadu, and this is the home to many endangered species, including which are these species which include in this? This is Indian elephant, Bengal tiger, gaur, Indian leopard, 266 species of birds, as well there are endangered Indian white-rumped vulture and long-billed vulture. So what is the name of that national park? The name of that national park is Madumalai National Park. Now, the next question is National Park of Madhya Pradesh, home to Royal Bengal tiger and a leopard, sloth bear, Barasingha and Indian wild dog, inspiration of Rudyard Kipling's Jungle Book. So National Park of Madhya Pradesh, this park is the National Park of Madhya Pradesh, and this is the home to Royal Bengal tiger, leopard, sloth bear and Barasingha, an Indian wild dog. So this is the home of these much animals, and it is basically the inspiration of Jungle Book, which is written by Rudyard Kipling. So what is the name of that national park? That is Kanha National Park. Now very sixth question is, a World Heritage Site in the state of Assam, home for 2/3 of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros, recognized by BirdLife International for the conservation of avifaunal species. So this is the heritage site in the state of Assam. This is the heritage site in the state of Assam. This is the home of 2/3 of world's. So one-horned rhinoceros. It is the home of that one-horned rhinoceros. You can see the picture here. And also it is the home for BirdLife International for the conservation of avifaunal species. Okay, so what is the name of that national park? That is Kaziranga National Park. Last question is, one of the largest national parks situated in Rajasthan, known for its tiger. So this is the largest national park which is situated in Rajasthan, known for its tiger. That is then the name of that is Ranthambore National Park. Okay, so today we have discussed so many national parks which tell us about the home of that endangered animals. Hope you will learn this, and you should learn this, because it is very important for you all that you remember what are the national parks are our country. So go through this chapter. Stay safe, stay healthy at your home. Thank you.